Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss about how to configure Gmail account in our Outlook application. In this session, we divided into two parts. One is Gmail configuration and another one is Outlook configuration. In Gmail configuration session is we follow these steps. These 4 steps mainly for sign in your Gmail account initially. After that, in the panel of settings, we configure IMAP and IMAP enable and allow low secure access. These are the steps we follow. Now let we go to real-time examples. Now initially we first log in our Gmail account. So I have a lot of accounts, so I'm moving to this account to configure. Go to settings, click settings icons in our Gmail account, see all settings. This is the updated Gmail, that's why it's showing these kind of options. And then going to forward and IMAP options, so click this option and in the bottom enable IMAP. Defaultly Gmail is disable this IMAP, but now you can access via some third-party application, so you must enable IMAP. Then go save changes. Now okay, now close the Gmail account. In Gmail account, manage Google account, click manage Google account. Click security. In the bottom, this less secure app access. So the defaultly Google does not provide, so it will be automatically is off protection. So you turn on the access, then only you can access Outlook. Okay, is updated. Now you can close that Gmail account as well. Now we go moving to second section. Gmail configuration session is over. Initially we sign into Gmail account and that settings IMAP is enabled and low access security access is also done. Now we going to Outlook configuration. So in our Outlook, add account, in file, add account, click account settings, new. In the email tab, click new. I want to go with manual setup, because of then only we can access our third-party mail configurations. So go with manual setup, and then next we are configured with IMAP. So pop or IMAP, enable it and click next. In this area we have lot of options as available. So initially, what is your username and what kind of email address is enabled it. So these are the informations you will provide. Yes, go to our information is push.com. In this account type is must you move with IMAP. This is the most secure version in Outlook, so I go with IMAP only. So what incoming mail server and outgoing mail server, these are the options are available in Gmail settings. So again you go with Gmail account, the right corner settings, it's loading. all setting, forward and pop and IMAP option. In the down IMAP access, we already enabled it. So in this bottom configuration instructions is available. So click that option, and Gmail is provide how to configure IMAP access in our third party Outlook or whatever another access apps. So we follow these steps. IMAP mail server is available in here, so I will copy this option and paste it here. And outgoing is SMTP, so I am going with SMTP, then smtp.gmail.com. now paste it and Gmail. What kind of email is accessed, then you can type it here, and password is must. And then go to more settings. In this tab we have general and outgoing servers, advanced options tabs are available. We move to outgoing server, then enable my outgoing server SMTP. You just enable it and going to advanced tab. In this advanced tab, port numbers are available. Incoming mail server IMAP server is port number is 993. So initially is 143 is available, but we change to 993. And outgoing server is 465, and then SSL, and click OK. Next, login complete. IMAP is completed. Is successfully configured with our Outlook. Then click close, and just a minute, it will be take so another pop-up. It's configured already. It's configured successfully. Then close it. Now you got it. This is a previous account. You got it, your Gmail in this session. Yes. Okay, now final part is send test email. Now I'm going to send a test email to Mania1. So okay, two addresses, about @gmail.com. subject is test email for Outlook configuration. Hi about everything, welcome to our channel, thanks. Okay, send. That is sending message, processing. Successfully send. Now I'm going with send a test mail in my I got it here. Hi about everything, welcome to our channel. I got it from this account. Okay. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க,
and உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you friends.